for the 5th times of the ride. What is it? Yeah. I like it. Is it? Let's go, Dad. It's a teamwork. Teamwork.
Nalagay na lang po ng gamit.
Apa? Ala.
Welcome back to the ground, ladies and users. You've successfully navigated Firestorm Gliders. We hope you enjoyed your flight. As you prepare to embark, please remain seated until the glider comes to a complete stop. Be mindful of your surroundings.
Hi guys.
Sir, come on, let's go.
You're free to stand and prepare to disembark. Ensure that all personal belongings are with you before leaving the ship. As you
Leave him.
mindful of your surroundings and follow the designated ship.
Sila lang ang
As you
laman.
disembark, be mindful of your
Kakatapos ko lang.
surroundings and follow the designated path to the unloading area. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again. Thank you for riding Malyari Galleon. Enjoy the rest of your day in Pradera Islands. Congratulations, Voyagers! You've
Ang ganda pa
successfully
pumunta dito,
navigated
guys,
the high
kasi
seas on the Malyari Galleon.
wala pang tao. Solo-solo nyo lang. Ang saya-saya. So, hindi kayo pipila. Hindi pa pipila. Tatapang ng 3 girls ko, oh. Ako sa akong hilo.
Tulad mo ay parang
Ikaw magra-ride ka doon?
Yep. Ang hiling kulang ko. Nagaraan ay danggabi.
Yan si ate. Si Ate Sarah. Ate Sarah.
Kami nandun pa rin siya.
Sino?
Oo nga.
Inundan ka mo kami doon sa chair.
You're here, she's there.
Ano ko kamo nung una? Totoo kaya sabi ko, boom boom! Yeah!
Rarampa-rampa pa siya.
Rampa ka pa, ah.
Thank you, Kiteke.
Paano mag... Yung pwede.
Hindi, sa likod.
Next. Sinong next? Kayo, kami ni Vinny, tapos kayong dalawa, no? Last kayo.
Last.
Sige, si Sofia. Hi, Sophia! Hello, Dad! Asan ka na?
Exit po yan, ma'am. Dito po tayo sa dito.
Mami, parang ayoko.
Okay. This is exit.
Yes. Sasakay din siya.
Apo.
Mami, ayoko.
Check yung height.
Mami, I don't wanna.
Okay. Check your height first.
Me don't wanna.
Why? Just try it. Come here.
It's fun.
Yay!
Hindi pa pwede. Sumaya. Si Ate Sofia nga, nag-twice pa, oh. Oh, si Daddy nagustuhan, no? Dumalawa pa. Ay, naku. You missed the chance to be fun. Ay, hindi ka rin pwede, no? Hindi rin pwede talaga, no? Woohoo! Asan si Daddy? Natitili. Na-stuck na si Daddy doon.
Punta po kayo sa harap kasi may fountain show po tayo.
Sige, sige. Malapit na ba? O sige, fountain. Sige. After this, okay. Hindi, after this daw, doon na tayo muna sa fountain show.
10 o'clock pa.
Hindi, hanggang 10 to. Ano? Ano? Ito yung koko mo. Parang nag-enjoy ka, be, ah.
Kala ko tatatlo ka pa.
Wish to ride once more? Please alight and kindly fall in line again. We hope you had an amazing time on Lago Launcher. Enjoy the rest of your day in Pradera Islands. Welcome aboard the
ikaw nga
Lago
yung taga-video.
Launcher, the
Kami naman
ultimate
ni Ate
aquatic
Yes.
adventure. Please follow this as your day in Pradera Islands.
No!
Welcome aboard the Lago Launcher, the ultimate aquatic adventure. Please follow the simple instructions as we prepare for an exhilarating journey. Approach the loading area and form a single line. Keep a safe distance from the edge of the platform. For your safety, make sure you're wearing your provided life jacket securely. And remember to keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Be mindful of your personal belongings. Don't forget to secure any loose items the rest of your day in Pradera Islands. Welcome aboard
Ate, what did you say to go
the
to?
ultimate aquatic adventure. Please follow the simple instructions as we prepare for an exhilarating journey. Approach the loading area and form a single line. Keep a safe distance from the edge of the platform. For your safety, make sure you're wearing your
Ride lang naman. Anong ride? Pataas, tapos bababa. We've already been... Oh! Ulitin natin yung doon. Wow! Kakatakot. Bra. 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 So oily. Space Shuttle Part 2. Pero kasi nakakatakot.
Ayan na.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Wala yan.
Oh no.
May sisigaw ka mo. May sisigaw.
Sisigaw.
May sisigaw. Tingin ko, sisigaw si Sophia, si Sarah. Ano? Hindi, si Sophia lang. Si Sophia lang.
Natakot ka talaga dyan kanina.
Hindi talaga nakakatakot yung ano, yung isa side ka lang.
Okay.
Ano ko lang yung umiikot.
Hindi, ito babaliktad ka. May baliktad to eh.
Alam ko, mami. Gusto mo pa lang.
Alright.
Imagine ko na lang andyan ako.
Kasi nga, duwag siya. Hanggang nood na lang si Bunso. Ayan na sila. Alright. Sila lang ang laman eh, no? Ang ganda nga kasi kami pala ang tao. Sigaw. Aywa. Mamo daw. Sabi ni Dad, pabaliktad, oh. Yun, oh. Asan na yun? Tapos
sila.
Ay, shucks. Oh, no.
Sabi ko naman. Natatakot ako.
Takot ka para sa kanila.
Kahit nanonood.
Imagine mo kung ikaw nakasakay dyan, be.
No! May matay ako.
Ah! Ano? Si Daddy. Grabing makasigaw. Ah! Tapos na. Yay! Ano to right to?
Space,
Space
Shuttle.
Shuttle.
Space Shuttle ba?
Space Force.
Ayun!
Space Force. Yay!
Ano ba?
Gusto pa yata ah. You want more ba? Choy, about you?
No.
Ayos na, okay na. Anong next? Ito yung climbing there.
Let's go. Ano?
Bibihis na sila. Ang init niyan.
Ilong-ilo na kamo yung eagle.
Oo.
Yung eagle kamo. Kita ko kanina gumaganto ka na.
Ah. Kasi sobrang init sa loob
Gumagalaw
niyan.
kamo yung ulo niya.
Bye! Nag-enjoy ka ba, Choy?
Pero, may isa pang ride.
Meron pa.
Firefighter ride.
Ah, sige. How about you, Sir Sofia?
Sobrang sobrang saya nung...
Sobrang saya.
Makaman mo lang sa parkour, ma.
Ah, sige.
Magpa-firefighter ride pa ba?
Si Daddy sobrang pawis na.
The big...
The globe.
Well, let's rock and roll.
Can we